Everyone knows what a Russian door is, right? Backpack packing Russian door style would be to put all the gears such as a tent, sleeping bag, and other small things, each in their own bags, and then pack them in the main bag. This has two main drawbacks. Firstly, there will be a lot of useless space between the small bags, and secondly, the shape of the backpack will be distorted, thereby reducing carrying performance. Let's change this way of thinking. Continue to use small bags for batteries, wires, letters, packs, etc. Then pack sleeping bags, tents, clothing, and other large, soft items directly into the pack around the small bags. They will compress naturally and reduce the amount of useless space, improving the appearance and the dynamic of the pack. Mini backpack designed for the most demanding and varied hiking environments. It is lightweight and waterproof. The following packing tricks can be used with the mini or other backpacks. Loosen the binding webbing around the main bag. Large, soft items should not be packed in their own bags, but packed directly into the pack around the small item, filling up the space and improving the appearance and the dynamic of the bag. Remember to pack soft items between any hard object and the back plate to avoid friction and noise. When packing is complete, tighten the binding webbing around the pack to improve the integrity of the pack. Loose webbing will cause damage to the pack. Mini has an opening at both the top and bottom of the pack, or a long waterproof zipper, which means that the main bag can be filled from both ends. It is sometimes easier to pack or retrieve items from the bottom of the pack than the top. Generally, the top of the main bag should be more than 10 cm higher than the back plate. The position of the main bag can be adjusted by the vertical webbing connecting the back plates. Pay special attention to disassemble the backpack before reinstallation. You must take photos as reference for the installation later. Wrong installation may bring risks. Jump Home Studio is here to help you every step of the way. Please feel free to leave a message if you have any questions.